Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we are going to be explaining SQL injection. So it's a critical vulnerability clearly because it can get all the hidden data in the backend. So the data that we don't have access to. So we are going to tackle it today using an access through a lab made by PortSwigger and through some graphical content. Okay, so this lab contains an SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. So we are going to be getting products using some filters. Okay, when the user select this filter, okay, the application carries out a SQL query like this one. Okay, so what is this SQL query do? Okay, so first an SQL query is a function that gets data from the database to the front end so the user can see what is stored in the backend or in the database. Okay, so what it's doing here, it's fetching data using the select keyword. It's getting all all the data from the products table. Uh, the backend or the database is divided into multiple tables. So here we have a products table which has data about the products that are stored in the database. Okay, where a category where a certain condition is met. For example, here, uh, okay, so I'll repeat first. Select all, it will select all or get all the products from the products table. Okay, so briefly, it will get all the products for me where what okay where category is equal gifts and released equal one stands for true. Okay, so released equal true. Okay, so that means that the product should be released and the product should be a gift. Okay, it should be both conditions, a gift and a release, and it should be released. If it is not released and it is a gift, it will not work. Okay, it will not get this product. It will only get this product if both conditions are met. To solve the lab, perform a SQL injection attack that causes the application to display one or more unreleased products. So now we are going to do the attack in this lab, okay, and then we will be explaining it using the diagram we have here. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so here we have a shop. We clearly have multiple products, three rows of products, three rows. Okay, so if we have to, if we will discover more products, we have more than three rows. Okay, here we have some filters. Okay, three products. Here also. Okay, and here we have three products. So we can see here in the URL we have category equal a certain condition or a certain parameter. Okay, here we have category equal food. Okay, plus this, which means and here. Okay, the plus stands for the empty space. Okay, so after we found out that the URL have this filter up, let's try to manipulate it. Okay, by giving it a true condition always. So how we can do this? Okay, here if we have and okay a certain condition, okay, it should uh, always met both conditions to be true. In that case, it should be gift and released to be fetched, so we can get this data to the front end, to the website, so we can see this data. But if the data is gift or okay or not and or a true condition here instead of released equal one, let's say we can put one equal one. 1 equal 1 is always true. So if it is a gift or a true condition, okay, it will always be a true, all this one, okay, because gifts and a true condition will lead to a true condition for all this where close. Okay, so here it will select all from products where true. Okay, I will be explaining it further in further details in the diagram. Okay, so here we are in the shop and we want to manipulate this. Okay, so we will close the first parameter like here, like this one. Okay, and we will add here or, then 1 equal 1. Okay, okay, we close that. Now or, okay, we will put a space between or and the 1 equal 1. So space, and URL encoding, the space is referred to by percentage 20. Okay, now the true condition, for example, 1 equal 1, and we will be ending or discarding the rest of the query in the back. Okay, so we will enter. Okay, we can see here that we solved the lab. We can see clearly also that we get 2 more rows of data. Okay, uh, which is good. So let's go to the diagram. Okay, here in the diagram, what happens usually or normally in a user browser that he accesses the web application, and in the URL when he searches for a certain product or he view a product, like here, let's say we viewed this product. Okay, here product equal 1. Okay, product ID equal 1. Okay, so he got the first product. Okay, what happened in the backend that he selected all from products where ID equal 1. So it has iterated over the backend and checked where is the product that has ID 1 and got only this product. Okay, so what can happen for the attacker, okay, that get, he can manipulate this product, okay, or this SQL query to get all other products by doing or a true condition or true condition. Okay, so what we did here is that we after after one here, okay, we added the code manually, so he can see this as only one, not one or one equal one. So he will not search the backend for literally one or one equal one. Okay, he will search only for the number one. Okay, because we closed it using this code. Okay, and we add here or, which is a logical operator that let us exploit or manipulate this SQL query. Okay, 1 equal 1, which is true. It's always true because always 1 is equal 1. Okay, if we wrote 2 equal 1, it will be false. Okay, so we have used this to bypass all or to get to apply this condition over all the products, because if let's say product ID equal to, okay, if we got the second product which has the ID equal to, okay, if we had the ID here equal to or 1 equal 1, okay, or a true condition, then this condition is met because false, which is ID equal to, okay, or 1 equal 1, which is true, okay, is always true. Okay, so that way what happened in the backend is the following: select all from products where ID equal 1, okay, which is this one, this port, or 1 equal 1, which is this port, okay, which will get us select all from products where true. It's all true because always one equal one. Okay, so this way we have exposed all the data. Okay, that was a SQL injection. Hope you enjoyed this video. Uh, Please like if you enjoyed it and comment so I can see your thoughts on my explanations. And thank you for listening.